And for her, I mean, the digital footprint says enough. And I really don't buy her explanations as to why she didn't tell the truth, if that's what happened initially. Also, the Snapchat and the steps on the phone completely obliterate her, in my opinion, because she actually says she woke up and just found him. But at the same time, you have those early morning texts with Danker about the shell casings. I don't believe her there either, where she says 100%, that she's going to get rid of those casings. And she's saying, oh, it was just in jest. And then the steps. I mean, she's got 170 steps 10 minutes before the 911 call. I think the digital evidence does not mesh with her testimony, and now her credibility is at issue, and I just don't see the jury believing her. When we're assessing credibility of witnesses, we have to look to prior statements. We have to look to evidence corroborating or lack of corroboration. And this is the opposite of corroboration. This is not corroboration. This is, in fact, showing that scientifically, technologically, it doesn't make sense. And it'd be one thing for her to say, well, I meant go to sleep, but that wasn't her testimony. She said, no, I typed go to sleep, and it's not bearing out digitally, and it's just yet another piece of evidence that just contradicts her version of events, which goes against her credibility.
Front of friends, you told Brian Cooper that you'd shoot him in the face.
I deny ever saying that.
Was that when you're Karen, when you said I'd shoot you in the face?
I never said that.
Karen did?
Karen did not say it either. It was not said.
Okay, David Bruno, thoughts on that? How's she looking there in your view?
Oh, it's like I said I hate him, but not that I would shoot him in the face, right? Again, it's going down to credibility. It is all about credibility. That question, when you are about to call a defendant, you got to realize that proof beyond a reasonable doubt, closing arguments is different than trying to protect your client's credibility. And once you do that, all eyes on the defendant, especially on credibility. And for these types of inconsistencies with credible evidence against, right? We talked about the scientific and the technological evidence. Now you have eyewitness testimony that can impeach her. And again, credibility is at issue, and she did not do well.
Right. You're exactly right.